display. Now that's the new filter that's come out of it. If you can't read upside down, I'm going to put the number up for you. Just so if it focus. EFF129 fuel filter for a VW Polo, what they call an N9. This is a 2004 model, and I'm going to see if I can fit said fuel filter into said car. So that's a different model altogether. So I'm hoping this is going to be a bit better. I don't know whether there's been a lot of, I've had a few issues of a bit of rough running, and what I've looked at has been the issue with the I don't know whether, I've looked on various forums, so it's a fuel pipe or fuel pump, or it's been a rough running fuel filter what's been blocked up with a load of contaminant rubbish. So a lot of contaminants in there, garbage has got stuck in there. So we have successfully taken all the bits off of it. So sorry about the axle stand in the way. So we've had a good look round, and the fuel filter looks fairly new, but I don't know whether it's got clogged up with a lot of contaminant rush over a certain amount of time, over about, I don't know, 20 up to 25,000 miles worth of rubbish got stuck in it, and it's made it rough running.